Hello everyone, so what I'm going to be doing is giving you a brief demo on how to get the 360 system up. I'm using my test bench, so calibration will likely not be perfect. What you need to verify is on your 4 screens that the calibration pads are seen throughout each of the 4 cameras. I'll give you a brief explanation of the icons here. This is the recording section, so once you press this, you'll turn on and off your recording. Playback is where you will see your logs and your videos, and you can play in the back obviously from the menu. System logs is where you can find alarm logs. Say for example, if something's not working on your DVR, you can go ahead and send those logs to us and we'll be able to check to see exactly what's wrong. The display section is where you can change certain camera displays on your device. So if you set it to 1, 2, 3, 4 option with the 360 system, you'll be able to see that camera feed. The floppy disk is the format button where you want to format every single time you get an SSD or SD card first inserted into the system. You want to format it always upon installation. And then I'm going to go through the 360 auto calibration. So we have all this in the manual that we will pass over to you. Display will be camera names, audio outs, mirror functions. Network is where you get set up for the live viewing. Now for system, this is where the AI section goes. So you'll be able to see here, AVS is always 360. Low power is sort of like a low power functionality. When your DVR is off ignition, it will still record. Security is another thing as well. We can go through that if you're interested to know about that. So what we're going to do is press the setup. You want to have always blending region on so that it can blend everything. You can change vehicle icon as seen here. You can change it whenever you want. And then we're going to go to auto cal. So what auto cal is going to do is going to take all 4 pads and stitch them together. So as long as the pads and everything are great and you see them on your 4 cameras and they're perfectly aligned, you can go ahead and just press the calibrate button. It's going to get the calibration started. So after 3 to 4 minutes, you'll see that this will say this prompt. What you're going to do here is just press the OK button. And then, as I stated earlier, I'm doing this on the DVR box, which is not perfect, but what you can do with this menu is that you can adjust where the pads are, because you want to make sure that the corners don't meet. So in case that you get this error, what you can do is you can set this to 10. What it's going to do is going to decrease the width of the vehicle, and we're going to move it, decrease it a little bit by bits until the 4 corners align. Pressing it, and we'll bring the length down a little bit more so that the corners here meet the edge. And just in case if your vehicle is a little bit higher where it needs to be, you can also move it up and down, and then also rotate it as well. Well, let's set it back because that one was good. So once you verify that everything looks perfect, obviously on mine it's a little wonky just because I'm on the test bench. We're gonna press save and OK. And we're going to go back to our feed and then see that everything looks as it should. I'm going to take these off. Let's get these out of here. See, everything is as it should be. This looks a little weird just because obviously we're in the bench, but it'll look way better in the vehicle setting.